Okay, next we're going to look at distance learning. So distance learning, this class will be taught remotely for at least 2 days a week. So some of you will be in class, like in the classroom, room 408 on Monday and Tuesday. Some of you will be in class on Thursday and Friday. And Wednesday, there will not be any classes in the classroom or remote. It will be necessary for you to have access to your Chromebook each day, including your 2 days in the classroom. And this class is going to be paperless. So what this means is that when you're at home and let's say you're a B cohort, so your B days, your Thursday, Friday in class days, but on Monday, whatever I'm doing in class will be presented to you on Schoology. It's going to be there, the same thing that I'm going over in class that day, you will have access to. So you're going to need your Chromebooks in the classroom, you're going to need your charger, you're going to need to have it charged, so we're going to be using it every day. The class is going to be paperless. So what that means is that our assignments, you'll be giving them to me online. So we need to make sure that everybody can do that. So if you haven't done a lot of that in the past and you need help with that, please let me know. So the main platform that will be used for distance learning is Schoology. New materials, your labs, and assessments will be posted on Schoology. Now, Schoology is new for us here at Abingdon High School and for Washington County. Not all of your teachers may be using it. Some of them may still be using Google Classroom, but this is a new thing and I'm going to be using it. Um, it works just like Google Classroom. This is where you're going to find all of your assignments. You just click on them, open them up, and just do your thing like you always would. It's just a different way for me to present the work to you instead of using Google Classroom. Google Slides, like we're using right now, Google Docs, Google Forms will be used on a regular basis. Additional sites that I like to use, I use Wiser a lot, Quizzes, Quizlet, and who doesn't like Kahoot, right? The class agenda will be posted on a weekly and daily basis. So what you'll see when you get to Schoology under your course, you'll see a folder, and I've color coded them because I can, and it will list the week. So the week of August 10th through the 15th. And then, yeah, that's right. And then underneath that, when you click on that, I've also broken it down by day. So day 1, day 2, day 3, which is Wednesday, and then day 4 and day 5. So everything's going to be there and organized for you. There's also a calendar there where I can post assignments so you can look at the calendar. Um, so the assignments and the materials, they're going to be everywhere. Tutorials will be available for assistance with technology. So as we go along, if you have any questions about how to do something, you may not be the only one. Shoot me an email and I will make a tutorial about it and post it. Um, I will be available for help each Wednesday. So as of right now, my office hours are 8:30 to 12:30, but I'm available by email anytime. So I check my emails all day long, and then you can see my email address there. As of right now, I have morning bus duty on Mondays in the parking lot. My lunchtime, it says 12, but I think that's actually been changed to 11:15. Now, a lot of things can change between the time that I'm recording this and school actually starts, but I think it actually has been changed to 11:15. But we'll see what happens. I do have a third period class. So the reason I mention this, I do have a third period class because sometimes people will want to make up stuff during lunch because you don't have time before school. You can't stay after school because you have to catch your bus. But I do have a third period class, FYI.